Trends in the modern periodic table. Trends म्हटल्यार variations in the modern periodic table with respect to the properties. Different जो properties असा like valency, atomic size, metallic characters ह्यो कशे vary जाता when you're moving down the group or across the period. So ह्यो कशी vary जाता हेंका म्हणतात trends. So first trend is the valency. Valency is the number of electrons an atom of an element can gain, lose or share to achieve stable configuration. So valency म्हटल्यार जो atom असा of an element to attain a stable gas configuration एक तर तो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जे आसा तेजे into the valence shell ते एक तर lose करतलो एक तर gain करतलो और एक तर share करतलो with another atom आणि that number of electrons जे तो lose करता share करता or gain करता is called as valence. So first example hydrogen. So hydrogen have got one electron only जो की असा in the first shell. So आता to attain stable configuration एक तर तो one electron जो असा तो lose करतलो आणि zero state in वयतलो attaining stable configuration or second method एक तर तो of another atom एक electron घेतलो having two electrons in the valence shell and becoming stable. So हांगा valency कितली तर 1. Second example is of oxygen. Electrons total कितले तर 8. 8 हे कशे distribute केल्या दोन shell असतले हांगा first and the second shell. First shell can accommodate only up to 2 electrons. So दोन हितून घालून कितले उरले तर 6. So हे 6 will be distributed in the second shell. आणि second shellaचे maximum accommodation कितले तर 8. So ऑक्सिजनाक स्टेबल जावपाक दोन मेथड आसा एक तर तो सगळे 6 गिव आउट करून स्टेबल जावपाक शकता और 8 जावपाक लागून कितले जाय पडले तर एक्स्ट्रा 2 जावचे पडले ते दोन तो फ्रॉम एनी अदर एटम घेवपाक शकता टू बिकम स्टेबल. जेन्ना एलिमेंट और एटम पयतलो स्टेबल जावपाक लागून तेजे कडेन ऑलवेज टू मेथड आसतले एक तर गिविंग आउट और एक तर गेनिंग आनीक एलिमेंट अशे वेन वयतलो की तेका लेस एनर्जी लागतली either for giving sharing or for taking less energy लागतली आणि जे वेन लेस एनर्जी लागतली तेच तो करतलो तो स्टेप तो घेतलो. हितून आता फर्स्ट वे आसा की स्टेबल जावपाक लागून हे ऑल द 6 तेका काढून दुसऱ्याक दिवपाचे और लूज आउट करपाचे आणि सेकंड मेथड आसा 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम एनी अदर एटम घेवपाचे. सो लॉजिकली लेस एनर्जी कितून कंज्यूम जातली ऑल द 6 काडपाक और ओनली 2 घेवपाक. सो लॉजिकली 2 घेवपाक लेस एनर्जी कंज्यूम जातली एज कंपेयर टू 6 दिवपाक. So oxygen जो आसा तो 2 electrons from any other atom घेतलो to become stable. So हांगा valency कितली जाली तर 2. Third example is of aluminium having 13 electrons. So distribution 2, 8 and 3. Over here aluminium can go in two ways. First एक तर हे तिन्ही दिवपाचे losing out all the 3 valence electrons or in third shell maximum accommodation कितले तर 8. 8 जावपाक कितले जाय पडले plus 5. So what will be easy? So which method will be consuming less energy? Obviously losing out this 3 electron. So हे 3 electrons lose out करपाक कमी एनर्जी लागतली एज कंपेयर टू गेनिंग 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो एल्युमिनियम खंयचे वेन वयतलो तर लुजिंग आउट 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो हितून वॅलन्सी कितली जाली तर 3. This is the valency table showing the valency of all the elements belonging to specific groups. So group 1 जे elements असा they will show +1. प्लस साइन म्हटल्यार कितें गिविंग. जेन्ना तू दिता लूज आउट करता इट इज डिनोटेड बाय प्लस साइन आणि मायनस साइन म्हटल्यार यू आर टेकिंग कोणाकडल्यान तरी दुसऱ्या कडल्यान घेता. गेनिंग जे आसा तेन्ना मायनस साइन घालप. ग्रुप 1 शोज +1. +1 मिनिंग एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज आउट करता टू बिकम स्टेबल. ग्रुप 2 +2 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज आउट करता. ग्रुप 3 +3. ग्रुप 4 दोन्ही करपाक शकता -4 एज वेल एज +4 एक तरी दिवपाकूय बीन शकता आणि घेवपाकूय शकता बिकॉज दोन्ही जेन्ना करतले तांकां सेम एनर्जी कंज्यूम जातली. ग्रुप 5 -3. ग्रुप 6 -2. ग्रुप 7 -1 आणि ग्रुप 8 0 कित्याक तर ते ऑलरेडी इन झिरो स्टेट कन्फिगरेशनान असता. सेकंड ट्रेंड इज एटॉमिक साइज. Atomic size refers to the radius of an atom. व समज एक atom कसलो atom जावपाक शकता of any element. So from the center of the atom, that is from nucleus to any point on the circumference of the atom, is called as radius. So radius म्हटल्यार it is the distance from nucleus to any point on the circumference of the atom. आता हांगा example दिला of hydrogen molecule, that is H2. 2 atoms आसतले. H2 चो radius किती जालो तर हो एक atomaचो radius plus दुसऱ्या atomaचो radius. So this whole thing will be the radius of H2 molecule. जेन्ना molecule घेतला आणि समज single atom आसा, single atomaचो समज radius जाय जाल्यार from the nucleus to the any point on the circumference. Atomic size or the radius decreases in moving from left to right along a period due to increase in the nuclear charge. आता ही atomic size जी आसा, it decreases when moving from left to right along the period due to increase in nuclear charge. Atomic size जी आसा ती म्हटला की decrease जाता when you move from left to right in the period and vice versa. From right to left जेन्ना period येतले atomic size will increase. कित्याक तर due to increase in the nuclear charge. Nuclear charge म्हटल्यार it is the force of nucleus to hold on to the valence electrons. So nucleus of atom जो आसा तो हे जे valence electrons जे आसा in the last shell तेंका hold करून दवरता. आता समज आम्ही एक्झाम्पल घेऊया ऑफ सेकंड पिरियड. पिरियडान कितें आसता तर नंबर ऑफ शेल्स सेम आसता. सेकंड पिरियड ऑफ एलिमेंट्स विल हॅव 2 शेल्स आणि नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जे आसा इन द वॅलन्स शेल दोज कीप ऑन इनक्रीजिंग. सो लिथियमाक 1 आसतलो, बेरिलियमाक 2 आसतलो, बोरॉनाक 3 आसतलो. Number of shells remains the same, only number of electrons increases. लिथियमान कमी number of electrons आसा, valence electrons, जो की 1. सो तेका जेन्ना हो न्यूक्लियस होल्ड ऑन करतलो तेन्ना कमी एनर्जी लागतली. बट जेन्ना बेरिलियमान वयतलो it will become 2. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 2, सो मातसो चड फोर्स लागतलो. बोरॉन 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन जातले, सो आनीक मातसो चड फोर्स. सो दिस इज हाव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इनक्रीज जायत वयतलो. आनी न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इनक्रीज जावप म्हटल्यार कितें, जसो जसो न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इनक्रीज जातलो तसो तसो सायज डिक्रीज जातली. कित्याक तर जसो जसो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इनक्रीज जातले तसो हो न्यूक्लियर चार्ज ट्राय करतलो की हे सगळे इलेक्ट्रॉन्सांक घट्ट धरपाचे सो दॅट ते इजिली लूज आउट जायना. आणि जेन्ना न्यूक्लियस आपल्याली एनर्जी ऑर फोर्स इनक्रीज करतलो इलेक्ट्रॉन्सांक घट धरपाक लागून तेन्ना एटॉमाची सायज कन्स्ट्रिक्ट जायत वयत. चड एनर्जी चड फोर्स मिनींग कमी सायज. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियर चार्ज ऑर इफेक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लियर चार्ज. Atomic size increases down the group because new shells are being added as we go down the group. आता atomic size increase जाता down the group. Why? Because new number of shells keep on adding onto the atom. आम्ही पहिलीत पहिला की जेन्ना ग्रुपान तू मूव जाता from top to bottom, new shells increase जायत रावता. सो इथून 1 शेल आसतलो, इथून 2 शेल आसतलो, 3 शेल, 4 शेल, 5 शेल. सो दिस इज हाव शेल्स इनक्रीज जायत रावता आणि जसे जसे शेल इनक्रीज जाता तसे तसे एटॉमाची सायज बीन इनक्रीज जाता. सो एटॉमिक सायज इनक्रीजेस डाउन द ग्रुप ड्यू टू एडिशन ऑफ न्यू नंबर ऑफ शेल्स आणि इट डिक्रीजेस अक्रॉस द पिरियड फ्रॉम left to right due to increase in the nuclear charge. Third trend is the metallic character. Metallic character means the tendency of an atom to lose electrons. So metals म्हटल्यार कोण जे tendency दाखयता to lose out the electrons. So those are called metals. Metals are electropositive as they tend to lose electrons while forming the bonds. And non-metals are electronegative. They tend to form bonds by gaining electrons. So metals जे असता they are electropositive. इलेक्ट्रोपॉझिटिव्ह म्हटल्यार जेन्ना बॉन्ड फॉर्म जाता तेन्ना मेटल्स लूज आउट करता इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. दे गिव आउट द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. आणि नॉन मेटल्स जे आसा दे आर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह मिनींग they gain electrons during the formation of bond. Here, this is the positive ion which is a metal electropositive ion which loses out electron. Here, sodium and chlorine. Sodium is a metal, chlorine is a non-metal आणि जेन्ना bond form जाता between sodium and chlorine, that is sodium chloride जेन्ना form जाता तेन्ना sodium जो आसा since it is an electropositive तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दिता क्लोरिनाक which is a non-metal आणि chlorine is an electronegative atom so तो gain करता electron from the sodium during the formation of sodium chloride. Metallic character decreases across a period because the effective nuclear charge increases. That means the tendency to lose electrons decreases. As we have seen in the previous slide with respect to the atomic size, same metallic character decreases across a period. When you are moving from left to right, किद्याक तर due to increase in the effective nuclear charge. So effective nuclear charge increase जाता meaning तो hold on करतलो onto the valence electron सामको tightly due to which it will be difficult to remove the valence electrons from the atom. आणि जेन्ना difficulty येता for removing the electrons from the valence shell, it means की तो electronegative, तो non-metal. So metallic character decreases across a period because the effective nuclear charge increases. Metallic character increases as we go down a group as the effective nuclear charge is decreasing. Metallic character जो असा तो increase जाता as we down the group due to decrease in the effective nuclear charge. So as we have previously said की down the group more and more number of shells increase जायत वयता due to which distance जे आसा between the nucleus आणि the valence shell ते खूप increase जाता आणि nucleusचा जो force आसा effective nuclear charge तो पावना onto the last or valence electrons आणि due to which easy जाता last electronac or valence electronac शेलांतल्यान काडपाक. So it increases the metallic character of that element. Here increasing metallic character across the period from right to left and vice versa due to change in the effective nuclear charge and increasing metallic character down the group y due to decrease in the effective nuclear charge. Metals are found on the left side of the periodic table while non-metals are towards the right hand side of the periodic table. Here, हे जे आसा ते सगळे metals which are found on the left hand side of the periodic table कित्याक तर हांगा जो आसा तो effective nuclear charge खूप कमी आसतलो आणि हे जे आसा right hand side in the periodic table those are non-metals. हे non-metals कित्याक तर number of electrons increase जायत वयतले due to which effective nuclear charge increase जातलो आणि metallic reactivity decrease जातली and they are non-metal. हे जे आसा these are metalloids or semi-metals जे की properties of both metals आणि non-metals show करतले. In the middle we have semi-metals or metalloid because they exhibit some properties of metals and non-metals. Here these are metalloids or semi-metals. Oxides of metals are basic in nature while oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. हे मेटलाचे जे ऑक्साइड्स आसा they are basic in nature while non-metalaचे जे ऑक्साइड्स आसा they are acidic in nature. So this is the complete summarization of all the trends which we have seen up till now. First, property, atomic size, variation across the period ती decrease जाता. Reason, due to increase in the nuclear charge and variation along group is it increases. Reason, due to addition of new shells, due to increase in distance between outermost electron and the nucleus. Second, metallic character. Variation across period, it decreases. Reason, due to increase in effective nuclear charge, tendency to lose valence electrons decreases. Variation along group, it increases. Reason, due to decrease in effective nuclear charge, tendency to lose valence electrons increases. Third, non-metallic character. Variation across period, it increases. Reason, due to increase in effective nuclear charge, tendency to gain electrons increases. Variation along group, it decreases. Reason, due to decrease in effective nuclear charge, tendency to gain electron decreases. This is the chart which shows the trend of atomic size and metallic reactivity. So atomic radius down the group increases and across the period from right to left it decreases. Non-metallic character जो आसा it increases across the period from left to right and metallic character जो आसा it decreases across the period from right to left. The periodic table of the elements in picture. This is the chart of the periodic table wherein different substances दिल्या जे की consist of all these elements आणि हे सगळे elements based on their atomic number, atomic mass in sequence सारखे arrange केल्ले आसा. हो चार्ट दिला तुमकां better understand जावपाक लागून periodic table with easy examples.